ready to unlock a world of online and offline spending flexibility without tying it to your bank account? Then let's dive into getting your very own PAYSAFECARD MasterCard. First, head over to the official PAYSAFECARD website. You'll need to register for a myPaysafe account. Click on the register button, usually found in the top right corner. Fill out the registration form carefully, providing accurate information. This includes your name, address, email, date of birth, and phone number. A strong, unique password is also important. Keep an eye on your email inbox. PAYSAFECARD will send you a verification email. Click on the link within that email to confirm your registration. This activates your myPaysafe account. Now, log into your newly created myPaysafe account. Navigate to the PAYSAFECARD MasterCard section. Look for an option like Order Card or PAYSAFECARD MasterCard. You will need to click on it. To proceed, you'll likely need to verify your identity. This usually involves uploading a copy of a governmental ID, like a passport or driver's license, and a proof of current address. Follow the on-screen instructions and guidelines carefully. Once your identity is verified, you can finalize your card order. Double-check your shipping address. Also, review the terms and conditions for the PAYSAFECARD MasterCard before agreeing. After ordering, your PAYSAFECARD MasterCard will be delivered to your provided shipping address. Now, you can load, spend, and enjoy the convenience of your new prepaid MasterCard, both online and in physical stores.